Brad Williams, wrap calls, padding. Very beginning, what we're going to do with padding. In this particular example, place a column into a new 3-row by 4-column list. Replace errors, NA errors, or zeros with X. If you recall, if we extend this to B16, we extend this array to B16 and it's blank, we're going to get zeros. We shorten it up to only the data, only visible data, in this case B14. Our array is B5 to B14. It's going to create a NA error. I'll show you. To get rid of this padding, we're going to get the NA error. Changing it back to this X, just put an X in there. You can put whatever you want. Just make sure you put quotes around the text that you want to include, and the output will produce the X's or whatever. You can say no NA error or NA error blocked or NA error. Be creative. Over here, just a brief write-up explaining the NA or any other data you don't want. Here's our array. Here's our wrap count. Here's our pad. The anatomy is pretty well covered. The anatomy, the write-up, read it at your pleasure. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.